Oh, there are some fantastic cutscenes coming up. Like everything from here and the Phoenix cutscene after is beautiful.
Welcome to the Zeldrin Starport. Due to increased security, thermonuclear warheads and nail clippers are no longer permitted as carry-on baggage.
Oh, I know where the box breaker is. I've just remembered where it is. Oh my god, can't believe it took me this long to remember, but okay. This place. Really good for getting bolts, really good for getting experience. There are a lot of enemies here. And they're powerful, and they give you stuff. So, if you want to upgrade the Rift, here, great place for it. Dear Lord, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, we always have times 2. Who cares? Do you see how many bolts I'm getting? It's a lot of bolts. Whoa! What hit me? Nobody matters too much, because you know they all get destroyed very quickly. How am I going to do this? Let's see if I can... Can I get the range big enough? A bit more. A bit more firepower. No? Alright, fine. I'll do it your way, game. Rift. But yeah, I remember where the box breaker is now. It's quite well hidden, actually. Bye. That's so good. Why is it so good? Why? Why? I don't know. Rift. Rifting it. Oh, boom. Bye, guys. Sure there's going to be some ammo around here somewhere. Must be. There's a titanium bolt. I've already got like 50,000 in this area. It's insane. It's actually insane. The amount of bolts you can get in this game now. It's beautiful. It's totally beautiful.
Security breach on concourse level.
Ow. Hi. Hi. I'm just going to be over here. That's no problem. Didn't think so. Good. Everyone should have fallen to the rift. Those who didn't will fall to another rift when I use it. The only ammo I should be getting is rift inducer since I've used nothing else. Excellent. How many have I got? 4! More than enough. And soon it will upgrade, so it will have probably maybe 12 actually. I don't know what ammo I get. It might still be 10, but it might be 12. Nothing escapes my wrath anymore. Maybe back in Annihilation Nation things were a bit problematic at times, but now, with the rift at my full disposal, nothing shall live. Nothing. Nothing, I tell you. Nothing. Okay, clever bastard. Well done. Sup? How many? 10 still. Why do you not die? Okay, you are dead now. I was going to say, why are you not dead yet? How have you managed to get lucky enough to survive that long? Yeah, didn't I only start with like 300,000 at the beginning of this place? Wait, is this the box breaker? Wait. It can't be the box breaker. Bolt grabber. Right.
That means your bolt pickup area has been extended.
Your safety is
Right, I see.
Please stay clear of all decorative pools of lava.
There's another titanium bolt then. I thought that was the titanium bolt. There's 2 here. And it's not on the main path you're forced to go down. And I know that for a fact, because that's... You can only go there once, so... May have missed something here. Not sure where though. Really not sure where. What the hell is it? What did I miss?
Loitering in the starport is strictly forbidden.
Oh no.
Violators will be disintegrated and fined.
Disintegrated and fined. Right, let's see. Maybe it's around here somewhere. I can still look around, still find it that way. Actually, now that I think about it, I think it's behind one of these ships. Actually, I think it is. I think it's behind a ship. Very cleverly hidden behind one. If I remember correctly. I might be wrong. But I might be right. Because that one was low down. If it was low down enough, it would be easy enough to be hidden. It could be cleverly disguised. Anything to the sides? No. Okay. It wouldn't be here, because we've already had one up here. Huh. Then again, that leads us back here. Which doesn't help me. Wait, do I have the box breaker? Oh, I guess it's called the bolt grabber now.
Due to new security
Excellent.
passengers must keep appendages at their sides. At
Beautiful.
all times.
Okay.
Raised appendages will result in immediate disintegration.
So where is it then?
Questions?
I remember it. Oh, I don't know where it is anymore. What am I missing? I feel like there's an added section here. But I don't know where. Oh well, I'll find it when I get the Map-O-Matic. Which is actually, I think, whoa, that lighting.
Life forms must be kept on a leash at all
That is not the weapon I wanted. This is the weapon I want to kill! Kill all. Nothing escapes the wrath.
I thought we agreed to put that jungle business behind us. It was mating season. How could I have known she was your sister? How long have you two been standing there?
Too long.
Well, stop lollygagging and let's get to work. We'll use this shuttle to infiltrate the Star Cruiser undetected. Once on board, we find Nefarious and finish the job. You fellas ready?
And a ship.
Shotgun.
Ah,
Hey, what are you doing?
move over. I'll drive.
No thanks. I'd rather make it there in one piece.
Stand down, soldier. This is your captain speaking.
Captain Mine. Wait! No, don't sit on the flight stick!
Ah!
It's too quiet. I don't like it.
Once again, my brilliant plan has caught the enemy completely unawares.
Message received. What's that, Clank? Nothing.
We'll have to split up and search the ship. Just remember, Nefarious is mine.
Unless we get to him first. Come on, Clank. Let's get some payback for Skid.
So, this section can only come here once, which is why I don't think there's titanium bolt, but I may be wrong. At least I'm pretty sure you can only come here once. Maybe you can come here more. I thought you couldn't, but oh well. Guess we'll soon find out. Just destroying everything, it's ridiculous. Yeah, I guess that was the box breaker. Interesting. Oh well, not complaining, just didn't know. Don't know anymore. Don't know anything anymore. Yeah, I guess it is. Okay. It says bolt grabber, not box breaker, but meh, guess they renamed it. Unless there is another one. But, I don't know. Who knows? Hi. There are a lot of enemies here. Where are those guys around the corner? Oh, hi. Guess that's where they were. Waiting. God, so many bolts. Seriously, so many. It's ridiculous. I've got pretty much like 100,000 bolts here. Alone, just in this area. All thanks to this rift, pretty much. God, I mean, in challenge mode, as long as you have the shield charger and the rift, you can pretty much get 1 million easily in just this one area, which is very exciting. Oh my god, the bolts. You know what? I might buy those other weapons. I think I can. I think I can afford it. Maybe. Maybe I can. I'm still debating it, you know. Is this the end already? Yeah.
Come in, gentlemen. We've been expecting you. The riffraff have arrived, sir.
Captain Quark, you've put on a bit of weight since last we met.
Yeah? Well, Courtney Gears didn't seem to mind.
God, his eyes fucked up.
So good, Janice. Feel it. My heart is pounding like an anvil.
Oh, this is the best part of my day.
I'll have the last laugh. I lured you here so I could witness your demise.
Auto-destruct sequence initiated. Prepare to die.
Lawrence, teleport us out of here.
Of course, sir.
Lawrence? This isn't funny, Lawrence!
What are you waiting for? This ship could explode any second.
I think I spotted something important. I can't leave without it. I'll meet you back at the shuttle.
God, that elevator didn't shut up during that cutscene. That was really annoying. This port is really good, but it does have some glitches, which are annoying. Okay, I don't care about you. You just can live. You're lucky. Consider yourself one of the lucky ones, alright? Oh no! I'm dead. Darn. Rift. I hate to create a rift between us two, but you know. It's just too powerful. Too powerful. The final onslaught, eh? Is this all you got? Is it? Is it? Nice try.
Fine, Quark. Yeah, we must leave now.
Not without Quark. He would have waited for us.
I think. Good for him.
Wait!